No. What? Valentine's Day. Chocolate milk. Smoothie. Smoothie? What are you going on about? It's colorful and it looks like a smoothie. Max and...
Yeah, that was cool.
Big one. Only two down. Well, there's three. It's Mac and Kevin.
Oh, that's how you put the.
Oh.
Because there are two red ones.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
I should probably stop talking.
No. Well, it's gonna go on YouTube.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, it's gonna go on you.
I put like 4 videos today and 6 yesterday.
What's your name for YouTube?
Mr. Bike Guy 99.
Mr. Bike Guy 99.
Yeah, MR Bike Guy 99.
I know what Mr. is.
Well, you're not that smart.
Yes, I am. I only got 1 P this year.
Wow, that's amazing.
I know. I'm smart.
Big pause.
Boom.
Boom. Don't chuck rocks.
But it made a cool sploosh for the.
Yeah, and it also scared Mac. Kayla got scared.
Shut up.
Yeah, the bangs creep me out.
It looks so much smaller on video.
Zoom in.
Nah.
Can't.
Yes, you can.
Don't work on mine.
How do you zoom in?
You do this.
Oh. Okay, I know.
I already did it.
No, you. Brett. Brett, you don't tap. Brett, come here.
I already zoomed.
That's not zoom. To zoom, you go like this.
Police
Look.
car right
You go like,
there.
Yeah, there's some down there too.
like,
Same way you do on a bunch of games.
no, you make it bigger. You make it bigger.
You should probably stop talking in it.
Nah.
You should have seen that.
Oh, I don't want to see it. Is that the same thing?
No.
Nobody calls it the popo anymore.
Well, I do, so too bad. Two different colors.
That's three.
Oh, 3 different colors, 2 fireworks.
Ian, don't.
Alien!
Alien!
They had the antennas on
Zozo!
the Zozo.
No, in French class we had to do this play and there was this alien called Zozo. Zozo.